And number one is on a whole nother level, right? You ever wonder what a $30 million New York City penthouse look like? Or even a Tribeca loft with windows large enough to frame the city skyline? Well, today, I'm bringing you along with me and we're gonna check out my top 5 favorite listings on the market right now. Let's go. My name is Chris Jordan. I'm a luxury real estate agent here in New York City, and welcome to episode 1 of my top 5 favorite listings right now. Let's get right into it. At number 5, we're on the Upper East Side with a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, penthouse new construction building that has never been lived in. Let's go. Each residence in this building includes a dedicated home office, as you'll see the moment you enter. Just off the entry, we have the secondary bedroom, spacious, bright, and perfect for guests, a nursery, or even a second workspace. Next up, we got the secondary bathroom, elegant and refined with high-end finishes that carry the luxury feel throughout the home. Now, let's talk about the kitchen, an absolute showstopper. The open layout features a pristine marble countertops, a bold backsplash, and a large island frame by sleek white lacquer cabinetry. Then we have the living area. It's where everything opens up. You got floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the space with natural light. Then we enter the primary suite, and this is something special. It starts with the walk-in closet that's thoughtfully designed for both storage and style. Then you have the spa-like primary bathroom featuring custom-built oak vanities, Bianco Cervec marble walls, and radiant heated floors that elevate the every morning routine. And then finally, the crown jewel of this home, the private terrace. Your own outdoor escape with space to unwind, entertain, and soak in the city from above. This is the penthouse unit in a new construction building in the Kips Bay neighborhood going for $3.145 million. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Now, on to number 4. Look, I'm walking and doing this. At number 4, I never like to make promises and I never like to talk in certainties. With that being said, I promise you, number 4 is gonna have some of the best Central Park views you will see from a unit in the city. Let's get right into it. We're in the Upper West Side. Just roll the clip, let's go. A gracious foyer welcomes you into the home. We begin in a semi-open kitchen where a breakfast bar, custom cabinetry, stone countertops, and premium stainless steel appliances create the perfect blend of style and functionality, ideal for both casual living and elegant entertaining. From here, we step into a dramatic living and dining area, wrapped in floor-to-ceiling windows with panoramic river, park, and skyline views surround you. Setting the stage for unforgettable moments, a striking bay window anchors the space with 2 private terraces, offering an outdoor extension of the views. Here we have uninterrupted Central Park vistas that feel cinematic in every season that might quite literally be the best Central Park views. And the best part is these views stay uninterrupted because the developer have bought the air rights to these views, so nothing can be built to interrupt them. How awesome is that? And beyond that, on this side, we have skyscraping perspectives. So you have Central Park on one side, skyscraping perspectives on the other. I mean, it's a view lover's dream. It gets no better than that. But let's make our way to the primary suite. We're going to begin here in the spa-like marble bathroom where a walk-in shower, oversized vanity, and sleek finishes elevate your daily routine into a refined ritual. Now, let's step into the bedroom. The bedroom is flooded with natural light and designed with intention. The bedroom is both graceful and grounding. From here, you're greeted by dazzling northern and eastern exposures, framing iconic views of Central Park and Columbus Circle. A truly breathtaking backdrop to wake up to. I mean, come on. But let's make our way down the hall. First up, we're going to see the secondary bathroom. The secondary bathroom offers refined touches, continuing the home elegant design language. And finally, the secondary bedroom. The secondary bedroom is flooded with southern and eastern light. It's perfect as a guest room, home office, or a second luxury suite, elevated by soft, all-day sun. This is a Central Park lover's dream. I really shouldn't just say Central Park. I think this is a view lover's dream because you also have this skyscraper view. But you guys let me know. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one. Did I lie? You know what? I'm an honest man. If I lied, just comment, Chris, you're a liar. I've seen better Central Park views from a New York City unit. Now, if I didn't, all I ask, you don't have to comment, just subscribe. We made a deal. Fair is fair. If I lied, you could comment. If I didn't, you subscribe. But let's move along. Now, number 3 is a very special one. because I love every unit on this list, because if I didn't, it wouldn't be on the list. But number 3 is one that I would personally live in right now at this point in my life as a 27-year-old man. We in Tribeca, we loft living. We got a full floor loft, an open layout, exposed brick, large window. I'm talking too much. I'll see you guys in a moment. Let's roll the clip. Keyed elevator entry brings you directly into this stunning full floor unit. As we walk in, the first thing you'll notice is a dedicated home office, perfect for remote work or creative space. This residence boasts soaring ceilings over 10 feet high, wide plank European white oak flooring, and exposed brick walls that add warmth and character throughout. Now, let's step into the open kitchen, anchored by a large island that's ideal for entertaining. You'll find sapien stone countertops and backsplash and a sleek silk finish. Millwork cabinetry and a premium Thermador appliance package that blends functionality with style. From here, we're going to enter the expansive living area, framed by oversized windows. This space is drenched in natural northern light that gives the loft an eerie, uplifting feel all day long. I'm a big fan of the size of these windows. I mean, how awesome are these? But let's continue. As we continue, you'll notice the abundant closet space throughout the home, thoughtfully designed for both storage and style. Next, we step into the first bathroom. Beautifully finished and sophisticated, it features clean lines and timeless materials. But let's check out the primary suite. As we make our way to the primary suite, we're going to begin in the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom is beautifully crafted with space with a glass enclosed standing shower, double vanity, and nostalgic elegance in every detail. Just off the bath is a spacious walk-in closet offering plenty of room for all your wardrobe essentials. Then we have the primary bedroom itself, a peaceful, light-filled space that feels both cozy and elevated with room to truly unwind. Finally, we're going to arrive at the secondary bedroom. It's generally sized, it's perfect as a guest room, second office, or whatever your lifestyle calls for. This loft has it all: volume, charm, and thoughtful design in every corner. This Tribeca loft is going for $4.15 million. If you
stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Now, I do need a favor because I did have a little bit of trouble ordering the first 3. So let me know if you agree with the order of the first 3 or if you would have ordered it different. But let's move on. We're going to stay in Tribeca and we're going to continue to loft live. But this time, we added a level. We're going with a duplex loft in one of the most sought after boutique buildings in Tribeca. Without further ado, roll the clip. As you step off the keyed elevator, you're greeted by the chef's kitchen. It's a masterpiece of design and functionality, with top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinetry, and an oversized island. From there, you enter the grand living area, which is absolutely stunning. An open, elegant space for entertainment and relaxing in style. This stunning duplex home is a sun-drenched sanctuary in the sky with soaring ceilings and walls of oversized windows. Every inch of the space is bathed in natural light throughout the day. The architecture draws your eyes upward while expansive skyline views stretch out in every direction. Downstairs, the bedroom wing is thoughtfully separated from the main living area, offering a quiet escape from the heart of the home. First, you'll come across this secondary bedroom, a spacious and living retreat that's perfect for guests, family, or even a flexible home office. Just steps away, we have this full bathroom that offers both style and convenience, making this part of the home feel like its own private suite. But let's check out the actual private suite. First up is this spacious walk-in closet that's currently being used as an office but could easily be converted into a 4th bedroom. The primary suite is thoughtfully designed. The spa-like in-suite bathroom features clean modern finishes, a double vanity, a walk-in shower with sleek glass doors that add both elegance and functionality. The bedroom itself is generously sized and bathed in soft natural light thanks to oversized windows that frame peaceful city views. There's ample space for a king-size bed, sitting area, and additional storage, all while maintaining a calm, uncluttered feel. Now, let's head upstairs because I absolutely love this part of the home. This level is anchored by a beautiful solarium, and the flexibility up here is truly astounding. Whether you envision a creative studio, guest suite, entertainment lounge, or even a serene home office, this space can do it all. It even features its own kitchenette, making it perfect for hosting or extended stays. You can add cozy seating, a gallery wall, lush greenery, or a sleek workspace. The natural light pouring in makes it the perfect backdrop for your personal style. Up here, it really feels like a home away from home. There's another spacious room with an in-suite bathroom. This space truly has everything you need. This isn't even the best part of being up here. Let me show you guys the best part. You also get access to a massive private roof deck. The views stretch across the skyline in every direction, offering a breathtaking perspective of the city. It's a rare vantage point that captures Tribeca in its most stunning form. I'm going to be honest, I love this tour so much. With its versatility, light, and layout, this 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath penthouse is listed at $4.995 million, and it truly gives you freedom to live however you want. And before you go, I have to show you guys one more thing. Not too many units offer this kind of view of Tribeca. I mean, how amazing is this? Wow. Now, number one, I do have somewhere to get to, but I'm going to stop. I want to give this one my undivided attention. The thing with, before I get into number one, the thing about life is that there's always another level you can get to. You're never done in life. You never, now it's your decision to decide when enough is enough, but if you want, there's always another level, no matter where you at. And number one is on a whole nother level, right? At the end of the year, I have plans on doing my top 5 favorite listings that I've seen the entire year. And again, I don't like to make guarantees, but I would be very, very shocked if number one is not on it. I've told you guys without telling you guys, number one is on a whole nother level. We in the Upper East Side. We got seven bedrooms, 7 baths, 2 powder rooms. I mean, roll a clip. I'm done talking here. Roll a clip. Upon entering, you're greeted by a private elevator foyer that sets the tone for what lies ahead. A dramatic 700 square foot corner great room that immediately commands attention. Newly staged and exceptionally refined, hand-selected cream of marble floors that bring timeless elegance into every corner. The formal dining area effortlessly holds 10 to 12 guests, an ideal setting for both intimate dinners and lavish gatherings. Just off the great room, a versatile dinner waits. Currently styled as an extension for the entertaining space, it could also transform into a private formal dining room or any space your lifestyle demands. Now let's make our way to Suite 4, where the powder room greets you first. Outfitted with a sleek vanity, statement mirror, and refined fixtures, it offers a polished experience for guests of everyday use. The bedroom itself has been staged as a sophisticated home office, blending function and serenity in one seamless space. From here, we move into the heart of the home, the eat-in kitchen. Designed by Maroni, a true showpiece. It pairs mother of lacquer cabinetry with rich Frappuccino marble countertops. You have top-of-the-line appliances from Sub-Zero, Miele, Blue Star, and Wolf, making this a chef's dream and an entertainer's delight. At the center, you have a spacious island that anchors the space, ideal for casual breakfast, evening wine tastings, or simply gathering with friends. Every detail has been thoughtfully curated, from the integrated storage solutions to the custom lighting that elevates the ambiance day and night. Circling back through the great room, we transition to the primary suite, an oasis of calm and bespoke comfort. We begin in the spa-inspired bathroom, where sculptural freestanding tubs take center stage. The primary bedroom stretches 20 by 19 feet with a peaceful sitting area and white old herringbone floors throughout. Finally, the suite flows seamlessly into a lavish dressing room, beautifully crafted with floor-to-ceiling storage, mirrored finishes, and quiet sophistication at every turn, offering the elegance and scale of a private boutique. Now, let's make our way upstairs. This home spans 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 2 powder rooms, with 3 rooms upstairs that offer great proportions rarely found in New York City. As we get upstairs, we're going to be greeted by an elegant powder room, refined and perfectly placed for guests. Just beyond that, we enter Suite 6. Let's begin with the en-suite bathroom, where clean lines, sophisticated tile work, and a floating vanity creates a sleek modern retreat. The bedroom itself is spacious and inviting, thoughtfully designed for comfort and versatility. Now we have Suite 5, complete with its own appointed en-suite bath. You have a walk-in glass shower that takes center stage, surrounded by sleek tile and top-tier hardware. The room's proportion and natural light make it a seamless fit for a variety of uses, from a guest room to a reading nook. The large windows bring in soft natural light, enhancing its warm, inviting feel. But let's continue the tour. We're going to make our way to the opposite side of the upper level. On this side of the home, you're going to find a private elevator access, an added touch of luxury and convenience that speaks to the home's thoughtful design. Now, on to Suite 7. This suite includes a spacious walk-in closet, perfect for both convenience and organization, along with its own luxurious en-suite bath. This en-suite bath echoes the elegant finishes found throughout the home. And my favorite part about this suite, you have direct access to the crown jewel of this level, the private terrace. The private terrace spans an impressive 1,800 square feet. This wraparound outdoor space is a true urban oasis. Whether you're hosting a sunset dinner, lounging under the skyline, or just soaking in the views, the terrace offers a rare blend of space, privacy, and panoramic beauty all in the heart of the city. Back inside, we're gonna step into the upstairs kitchenette and bar, a sleek and functional space designed for both convenience and entertaining, outfitted with a built-in wine fridge. Adjacent to it, you have this lounge that offers a cozy yet elevated space to unwind, complete with its own access to the terrace for seamless indoor-outdoor living. And with that, I think I've shown you everything. And this one was truly special. Let's recap. We have 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 2 powder rooms, listed at $28.5 million right here in Lenox Hill. You never know what you'll find inside a New York City building, and that's exactly why I love New York City real estate. Let me know what stood out and what your favorite part was, and I'll see you on the next one. How amazing was that? But we've reached the end. This was a very, very fun episode to put together. I'm gonna be dropping a lot more of these kind of episodes, so if you like this episode, I definitely think you'll like the continuing episodes. I have a very, very special Tribeca episode dropping very, very soon. So like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys for joining me. Again, my name is Chris Jordan. I'm a luxury real estate agent here in New York City. And these were my top 5 favorite listings on the market right now. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Thank you.